Are you interested in learning about essential oils and how to use them? Here are some common mistakes people make with essential oils. Not knowing how to apply them. Not knowing their side effects. How to use them responsibly. Essential oils are concentrated plant extracts and can be used in many ways. The most common applications include topical application, using a diffuser, direct inhalation from the bottle. It is important to note that some essential oils can have serious side effects like nausea and headaches, possible irritation or damage to eyes, and even burning the skin. So, before using essential oils, do research and always do a patch test before applying to the skin. When using essential oils, be sure to keep them away from children, pets, and elderly. Keep them out of direct sunlight, avoid exposure to oxygen, and store in a cool, dry place. If any reaction occurs, rinse with water and soap. If irritation persists, contact a doctor. We hope this information was helpful. For more, visit our website